Hello, welcome to this first class where we are looking at an application which we are going to hopefully use extensively. So it's called TTYD for terminal. So this terminal will run into a browser. So I've gone in with guild clone. So I've cloned the repo. Now, after cloning the repo, Uh, so we have got the C make list, text, Docker file, OpenWRT, screenshots, and other files. So to install this file, what we need to do is to install some libraries. So to install those libraries, we'll do apt get install CMake, then G++, and PKG. So I'll just copy, which I'll give you the description for. So let me get rid of that. I'll just paste it. There we are. So I'll do enter. So everything looks is getting installed, which is a relief. So there are no dependencies as it looks for now. So here, as you can see, we have just finished. So let's clear the screen. Let's list again. So the next thing we need to do is what we'll do is we have clone already the TTY.cute. So what we need to do here is just to do a command cmake. Now here it says cmake options. So let's find out. We have to specify a source directory. So here I think I've jumped a step. So let's do again. We'll do make directory build and change into build. So let's list. So here we are in build. Now in build we'll do cmake. So here seems, let's see, let's see, make install. So we have got no target here. So we need to research why we are able to build, but it seems we can do the make. So let's investigate that. So here we are able to install it. The problem we had is if we go up again. So you see, when you do CMake, make sure you have that space and then the two dots. Then it works all right. So from here, we are going to do make, then and make install. There we are. So to run this, we are going to exit. Let's create the screen here and let's type TTYD. Then let's put help to see if we can get help. There we are. So everything is working all right. So as you can see, everything is working all right. So the next step is to test our application. Now to run the TTYD application, we are going to issue a command here. There we are. Now we'll just open a browser. So let's get a browser. So here is the browser. So how we are going to run it is we'll get a tab here. Then on the tab we'll just go HTTP localhost, then 88, then enter. Here we go. So that's the terminal. So let's clear the terminal. Now in this terminal we could do if config. There we are. So everything is working mushy mushy, very good. And we can even invoke nmap. Let's do then we just do a simple nmap fingerning port 8 8.8.8. There we are. So it says there is no command for nmap, so we can install that. You can see now all of this is running in the browser. So once nmap finishes, let's do our command. We just wait for a few minutes. Now, as you can see from here, we are able to use nmap. So with that, I thank you for viewing.